Now, let's make some Betty Crocker gingerbread cookies. I'm making 2 batches. 1 stick of butter, 1 tablespoon water, 1 egg. A bit more water. Got my eggs. Here's the butter. And I found these at Target. And I decided to try them because I've used the Betty Crocker sugar cookies and peanut butter cookies, and they turned out really well. Notice I needed to preheat the oven to 375, not 350, so I had to go change it. Okay, and it says you can put everything in here, so 1 tablespoon of water. Oops, we need 2, because we're doing 2 bags. 1, 2. I am gonna add some vanilla, because that's what I do. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons. I need to try this out. The mix smells good. Okay. And now the eggs. The eggs are at room temperature. And the butter is softened, it's been sitting out. It's supposed to be softened, not melted. Cut it up in cubes. Make it easier to mix in. Instead of 1 big block. It says stir until blended. Should have used the spatula. cookie dough smells so good. Still see a little bit of butter that needs to be blended. But again, this cookie dough smells so good. Wash these first. And unfortunately for me, this dough has to be rolled out. I hate rolling out dough, but Betty Crocker took all the other steps out of the equation for me. So I guess I can roll out some dough. Lightly flowing surface. I'm going to wipe this down again. Damp towel. And a dry towel. Let's roll this out. This dough is very soft, not too sticky, so it hasn't been too much of a pain to roll out. I still don't like rolling out dough though. says to bake 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are set. And it's at 375. So I'm going to put these in here, but I'm going to set it for 8 minutes. And we'll see how it goes. Anyone that rolls dough on a regular for a living, I admire you.